up guys, Lenny with Lenny's Bike Shop here. We got a brand new 2018 Scott Aspect 950. Actually, we just got a bunch of new Scott bikes in, I should say. It's a new line we just picked up, pretty hyped on it. They made this bike in 6 different models: 930, 940, 950, 960, 970, and 980. This is aluminum frame. This thing's designed to be lightweight. Internally routed cables on here, which is nice. It's got Shimano components, 24-speed, hydraulic disc brakes front and rear. $160mm rotors. It's got the Synchros rims, Formula hubs, front and rear. They are non-sealed, but it is a bike that's, under $700. It's $599.99 MSRP. It's got the Suntour XCT fork on here with the lockout, which makes it nice. It's got Kenda Slant 6 29-inch tires, 2.3s. It's got, Synchro components on here, handlebars. Stem, the seat, Shimano Altus derailleur on here, Shimano cassette, Shimano Journey. Shimano crankset on here, sealed bottom bracket. They put some basic platform pedals on here. Like I said, we just got a brand new line in Scott bikes. They also made this in 2 different series. So they made basically a 700 series, which is your 27.5. This one's the 900 series. I have currently 2 out of the 6 models in stock. So if you want, the bike, you're a novice rider, you want a bike that's going to be the next one down for your beginner rider, we have that one in stock too. And we have a bunch of other large selection of bikes in stock right now. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for checking it out.